Hi, Dr. Bela speaking, checking in just after the second day of my 3 days water fast, which means for 3 days I don't consume anything else other than water or probably a bit of tea without sugar or honey. And I understand now why is it water fast, because I'm drinking all the time and thirsty all the time, so I'm really drinking. So I started this fast Saturday afternoon, and there is a reason for the afternoon start, and I really encourage everybody to start a fast, even if it's just 10 hours or 12 or 14 or 1 day fast. Not eating is healthy all over the medical literature. So if you can give a little bit of break to your system, your insulin level, definitely I would encourage everybody to have a fast. If you're planning a longer than a 1 day fast, I would definitely recommend to have a consultation with your doctor, especially if you're taking medication or anything like that. And what I'm saying is not medical advice. So the reason I recommend an afternoon start, because usually we get very hungry by 8 p.m.-ish. And if you start the fasting at the afternoon, you're gonna sleep over the worst period, and by next day, you wake up, it's much better. For me, to get into ketosis, my ketosis started to show up. I measured it in my pee with a test, and it started to show up at 26th hour with a tiny traces, and by now I'm in deep ketosis. And ketosis is an amazing state to be, even it's mentioned in the Bible. And this state is used in the treatment of the epilepsy of children. So it has very beneficial effects for the whole nervous system. And when you are in ketosis, practically what's happening is most of your organs using these ketone bodies, which are derived from your fat, so the fat stored. And it's a very clever way from the evolution that it organized this way, so there is a little bit of muscle burning, but mainly the energy is coming from the fat. And interestingly, when you are in ketosis and you are living out of ketone bodies, it alters your state in a way that I don't feel any hunger, and it's really difficult to believe that after not eating anything for 2 days I don't feel hunger. It's really crazy as it sounds, but this is how it is. So I'm not hungry at all. And they say these ketone bodies has a little bit of a drug-like properties, so I'm in this it's very difficult to describe the state, but I don't feel hunger, and I'm in a little bit of a elevated state, so it's not my normal. And I am in this ketosis, so burning my own fat, which is very good for my nervous system. And this is the time kind of when autophagy kicks in. And as I mentioned it in my previous video, that autophagy is the process when my body starts to break down the clutter, the non-working protein, which can cause, an ongoing chronic inflammation, autoimmune disease, and all these kind of things. So probably the second and most important, the third day is the most valuable day of this fast. I won't do longer than 3 days for sure. That's it. And also I'm gonna talk about how I'm gonna come out from the fast, so what kind of food I'm gonna eat when I'm finished tomorrow same time, finished with my 3-day fast, and what kind of food I'm gonna introduce and how to come out of it. So this is where I am. I'm working today, a very busy day today, and of course I'm talking about this to my patients, but it doesn't influence my work at all. I can inject beautifully, no shaking hands, or everything is fine. So it's really amazing how the evolution organized us in a way that after not eating for longer period, you are not hungry and very energetic. So not eating is good. I encourage everybody to try it for several hours, or probably for a day. So this is practically what I wanted to say at 2 days, and thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.